हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज रिव्यू कर रहे हैं KTM Duke 125 विद द न्यू स्टाइलिंग। सो आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर द लेट रिव्यू बिकॉज गाड़ी अभी तक अवेलेबल नहीं थी जबलपुर में। सो नाउ इट्स अवेलेबल एट फ्रंटियर KTM। सो अगर आपको गाड़ी देखना है या फिर बुक करना है, टेस्ट राइड करना है, शोरूम की सारी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में। सो विल टॉक अबाउट दिस व्हीकल टुडे। We'll talk about is it worth buying or not, and we'll also talk about few parameters जो most of the time skip हो जाते हैं, उसके बारे में भी एड्रेस करूंगा आज। So let's start with the video.
I don't wanna fight, 'cause I don't like the way it feels. Those cutting words that never heal. Behind the barricade, you're tossing grenades while I'm trying to settle and disengage.
तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वॉक अराउंड से। सबसे पहले प्राइस के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं। सो कंपेयर टू द प्रीवियस वर्जन KTM Duke 125 का प्राइस 8,000 रुपीज़ बढ़ गया है, एंड नाउ दे स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1,50,000 एक्स शोरूम, 1.5 लाख रुपए। दैट इज द एक्स शोरूम प्राइस। डिजाइन वाइज दिस इज अ KTM Duke 200 विद अ 125cc इंजन। दैट इज वॉट इट इज। अगर आप 125 की जगह 200 लगा लें और थोड़ी सी पेंट स्कीम मैच कर लें विद 200, दिस विल बिकम अ KTM Duke 200 इन लुक्स। So it's very similar and everyone was expecting this styling, so वो मिल गई है, but I feel bad for the 390 and 250 owners, but yeah, this is what we are getting right now. It's sharp, looks really good, very youthful. सामने से start करते हैं। So now we are getting the halogen headlight with these DRLs. So अब आपको DRLs भी मिल रहे हैं which are looking really good. We have LED turn signals, so that is also a good inclusion. USD forks, single channel ABS आपको मिल जाता है, which is a good thing. आगे और पीछे डिस्क ब्रेक मिलता है। The engine was previously also BS6 compliant, और अभी भी ये सेम ही है। So it's the same engine. प्रोड्यूस करता है 14.5 PS and 12 न्यूटन मीटर टॉर्क, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द एमिशन नॉर्म्स एंड द एडेड पार्ट्स इस मोटरसाइकिल का वेट हो गया है 159 kgs. So we'll talk about the performance when we ride it. Also the fuel tank capacity has gone up. ये अब 13.5 liters का fuel tank है, so that is good. You can see these shrouds which are looking really good, this area. So yeah, the styling has been updated and that is a very good thing. Coming towards the instrument cluster, so it's very much similar to the KTM Duke 200, and इसमें आपको trip meters, range, fuel efficiency, so वो सब चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी. Yes, यहाँ पे आपको एक ABS का मोड दिखाया जाता है, but आपको सिर्फ इसमें रोड मोड मिल रहा है. You cannot change it. So even if I keep it pressed, so it won't change. So आपको सिर्फ रोड मोड मिल रहा है. The switch gear quality, the panel quality, the paint quality is awesome, and that is what you expect from KTM. But yeah, थोड़ी सी वायरिंग और अच्छे से छुपाई जा सकती थी. It's very exposed, so वो एक चीज़ है. The seat is very comfortable, and because of this new styling and new subframe, अब आपको ज़्यादा बेटर स्पेस मिल रही है. So rider as well as pillion will be more comfortable. You have more room to move around. We also have grab rails here which are very comfortable. So because of the added space, rider और pillion दोनों ही बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable रहेंगे अब. So that is amazing. पीछे की तरफ आए, so आपको LED tail light मिल जाती है. We have LED turn signals. यहाँ पे आपको KTM का स्टिकर मिल जाएगा. So all in all it's good. Rear tire size की बात की जाए, so it's 150 by 60 R17. So in terms of dimensions and everything, this is pretty much similar to KTM Duke 200. There's no doubt about it. आपको rear left protection मिल जाता है. इस तरफ आए, so we have the side stand sensor. So if the side stand is on, गाड़ी नहीं चलेगी, वो एक चीज़ है. That is a good safety feature. And आप यहाँ से stickers भी देख सकते हैं. This is a liquid cooled engine, and according to me for 125cc, they could have managed the cost in a better way. Like the parts are there, the things are there, but because of the smaller capacity, जो ये parts का full potential है ना, you might not be able to explore it. So they could have saved the cost by reducing the performance of these parts. Like tire size इतना wide ना दे के, they could have given the conventional forks. So वो सब दे के थोड़ा सा कॉस्ट बचाई जा सकती थी, बट KTM being KTM, they just pulled the trigger, they did not resist for anything, and that is why we have this amazing product here. अब एक काम करते हैं, let's listen to the exhaust note and then we'll ride it. So let's go. स्टार्ट करते हैं इसके इंजन से. सो राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट इनिशियल पिकअप इज वेरी डिसेंट. यू डोंट फील दैट पावर जब आप पिकअप लेते हैं, एंड दैट इज काइंड ऑफ वियर्ड बिकॉज स्टिल 5000 RPM आपको कोई भी एक्साइटमेंट नहीं मिलने वाली है. आफ्टर 5000 RPM you feel a bit of excitement, and after 8000 RPM that is where you feel that KTM DNA, and आपको समझ में आता है yes power है इस गाड़ी में, because the peak torque and peak power are developed higher in the rev range around 8-9000 के आसपास. so उसकी वजह से most of the power is in the higher rev range. so initially और city में चलाने के लिए आपको ऐसा लग सकता है that engine is kind of struggling because initial pickup is not that good. Let me show it to you once again. So you see I am in first gear and let's go. You see, you feel like that engine might die out in few seconds. So this has been the characteristic of 125 for a very long time. ऐसे ही perform करता था, and the same way it's performing here also. बाकी इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिफाइनमेंट इट्स अ 125, सो आपको वाइब्रेशन या फिर हार्शनेस वाली कोई भी फीलिंग नहीं आती है. इट्स अ वेरी रिफाइंड इंजन. ऑल्सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ हीटिंग, इवन दो दिस इज अ KTM, आपको हीटिंग के भी मामले में कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी बिकॉज दिस इज अ 125. वी ऑल्सो हैव लिक्विड कूलिंग, सो हीटिंग इज नो इशू विद दिस मोटरसाइकिल. अब बात करते हैं गेयर बॉक्स के बारे में. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द क्लच इज लाइट, सो यू कैन ईजिली यूज इट. आपको 6 स्पीड गेयर बॉक्स मिलता है, which is quite amazing considering this is a 125cc motorcycle, and it's an amazing gearbox. KTM की तरफ से यार, KTM के gearbox are one of the best in the business, and the same is here also. upshift, downshift, multiple downshift, खड़े होकर downshift करना है आपको. you won't face any problem. आपको कोई भी false neutral या फिर कभी भी gearbox अटकता नहीं है. so it's a very good gearbox. अब बात करते हैं इस बाइक के सिटिंग पोजीशन के बारे में. So sitting position is really comfortable, and compared to the previous version you have a lot more space now. पहले क्या होता था, बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस नहीं थी, so बड़े लोग या फिर ज़्यादा हेल्दी लोग थोड़ा सा फंसा फंसा फील करते थे. But because now you have a new subframe and you have more space, तो आप आराम से मूव अराउंड कर सकते हैं, एंड उसी की वजह से you feel more comfortable. Also the seat is better cushioned compared to the previous version. So comfort has totally been enhanced. Foot peg position थोड़ी सी rear set है, but it's never uncomfortable, and you can ride for longer periods on this motorcycle without any issue. And अब बात करते हैं ब्रेक्स के बारे में. So सामने आपको 300 mm का डिस्क मिलता है, पीछे आपको 230 mm का डिस्क मिलता है, which is amazing. We also have single channel ABS. So talking about the rear brake is decent, like the bite is decent, feedback is decent, stopping power is decent, so it's a decent rear brake. अब बात करते हैं फ्रंट ब्रेक के बारे में. फ्रंट ब्रेक is good, the bite is good, the feedback is good, stopping power is also really good. So front brake is a good unit. Rear could have been better. So braking is good of this motorcycle. अब बात करते हैं what's the mileage. So with KTM Duke 125 you can easily expect above 40 kilometers per liter considering this is a 125cc motorcycle. So आप easily 40 से लेके 45 kilometers per liter इस मोटरसाइकिल से निकाल सकते हैं depending upon how you ride. बहुत ज़्यादा aggressively चलाओगे, you will keep it to the boil all the time, तो फिर आपको around 35 से लेके 40 का माइलेज मिलेगा. If you keep riding decently, आराम से चलोगे, you will get above 40 for sure. And अब बात करते हैं सस्पेंशन के बारे में. So compared to previous 125 Duke, damping has been improved. मेरे को ऐसा फील हो रहा है because previously suspension बिल्कुल भी पॉट होल एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करता था, कोई गड्ढा एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करता था. It used to throw everything at you. But now because of the improved damping, जहाँ तक मेरे को फील हो रहा है, it is taking up bumps and potholes very nicely, and comfort उसकी वजह से enhance हुआ है. Like it's taking the bumps and potholes, आपको decent comfort मिल रहा है. So that is good, and feedback is also good. Yes, feedback थोड़ा सा कम हो गया है compared to previous 125 Duke. एकदम थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है, कोई issues नहीं है उससे. But because of this improved damping, आपको ज़्यादा better comfort मिलेगा. So that is amazing, and that should have been improved long back, because it's a 125. People will be riding it in city and traffic, so they want a more comfortable motorcycle, like for riding and cornering. उसके लिए तो बहुत अच्छा था पहले सस्पेंशन, बट कंफर्ट के हिसाब से उतना अच्छा नहीं था. सो KTM has worked on it according to me, and they have improved it. The hardware of this motorcycle is so much more capable than the engine. Like when you push this motorcycle, आपको feel होता है that the bike is so stable, it's so planted, it's glued to the ground, but you don't have that power to explore it. So suspension, chassis, everything is top notch, but आपको उतनी power नहीं मिलेगी. And that is a drawback of this motorcycle, and that is why it's a 125cc. So वही एक चीज़ है, but other than that it's a very fun motorcycle. Keep it to the boil and you will enjoy it. So अब बात करते हैं, should you buy this motorcycle or not? So according to me, KTM Duke 125 is not really a performance based motorcycle. Yes, it's a KTM, the hardware is there, the components are there, but because of lower capacity, you cannot extract the full potential of this hardware, or let's say the chassis, the suspension, because of the lower capacity. But KTM Duke 125 is such a good product because of two main reasons. First, because of stricter emission norms and because of the government policies, आजकल लगभग स्कूटर, बाइक, कार सब कुछ इतनी महंगी हो रही हैं that owning a motorcycle, a scooter, a car is becoming difficult. And at the same time, if people are spending 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, they want something which gives you that premium image. Because आज भी इंडियंस की ये मेंटालिटी है कि अगर मैं 1 लाख रुपए खर्च कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे को कुछ अलग तो मिले. लाइक yes, I can go for Pulsar, yes, I can go for TVS, but I want something unique, I want something जो एक image create करे. And that is where KTM Duke 125 is such a good product. Yes, it's not really powerful, but people who are buying a 125 KTM, they are mainly looking for looks, KTM brand image, they want that exclusivity, and because it's a lower cc तो आपको mileage भी थोड़ा better मिल रहा है compared to other KTM motorcycles. So that is one point, affordability, and KTM is cashing in on it. Like KTM knows this कि लोगों को KTM चाहिए, they want a affordable KTM, so they are giving it. Okay. Second thing, I've seen parents with their children, they go to the KTM showroom and they say उनका बेटा चाहता है कि वो 390 ले ले, बट मम्मी पापा बीइंग मम्मी पापा वो थोड़े से वरीड रहते हैं कि पावर ज़्यादा है इसमें, मेरे बेटे के साथ कुछ हो ना जाए, वो हैंडल नहीं कर पाया तो. सो देयर दे सी दिस प्रोडक्ट 125. इट्स नॉट रियली पावरफुल बट इट हैज़ द लुक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो ये काइंड ऑफ अ मिडिल ग्राउंड है. पेरेंट्स भी खुश हो जाते हैं, बच्चे भी खुश हो जाते हैं, एंड दे गो फॉर दिस मोटरसाइकिल, ईदर द RC 125 और द ड्यूक 125. सो ये 2 पॉइंट्स हैं. बाकी अगर मैं कहूँ इज दिस द बेस्ट वैल्यू मोटरसाइकिल, नो. You can go for MT15, you can go for the other 200cc motorcycles from Bajaj, from TVS. You have many options and they are cheaper also. So value wise, this is not the best motorcycle, but yeah, if your requirements are you want a KTM, you want it to be funky, you want it to look cool, and you want something that is exclusive, that gets you that image, then this is the one. So that pretty much sums up the whole thing. And yes, it's a good motorcycle. Quality levels are top notch. That is what you expect from KTM. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you like this video. इसको like कर देना, subscribe करना, bell icon दबा देना, and comment down below what are your thoughts about KTM Duke 125. Today I'm in rap mode. See you on next video. Bye.